Mo na gid gipangita namo.
Guys na. Sulti mo sila.
Winter babies. Ano yun na? Snowfall.
Di pa ni sa tugnaw. Mag-melt na ni may tugnaw. Yangog ha, watch your step. Dito ka. Bagapag ang snow. Oo.
Is like maybe 500 years old. Yeah, here on the left side. This is 500 years old. And all these houses are under protection. Yeah, not UNESCO, but under the local local government, yes. And example, the owner of the house is not allowed to destroy this house and also to change, like now, to the modern, you know, to use the modern building products. No, they are not allowed to make another one. But also they get money for maintenance from the government because they want to preserve this kind of architecture style, old style. And also on the windows you can see the covers, because the cover make warmer in the winter time and cooler in the summer time. And also a lot of these village people, you know, those who have the cows or sheep, they, example, have also some other job, you know. And that's why, example, when you see these old houses, they have like 2 floors, 3 floors, because usually when they build a house, they build a house for the whole family. Also, example, for the son or daughter to stay in the house. And usually everybody help with farms. I don't know, have you heard? But example, there is also some farmers, they play music, classic music to the cows, and they also find out when they listen this classic music, they give more milk, and also the milk is more quality. And you know, the sweets, cheese is actually very popular, a little bit expensive, but very popular. And like you can see in this nature around, and you will see also when we go tomorrow to another side, there is no they don't use the chemicals, you know, it's
Yay! Naanami diri sa Titlis, Switzerland.
Mount Titlis in Switzerland! Hey!
So, thank you Lord. Yang akong shoes didi slippery. Ay. Sus, limot lagi na ako sa kuan. Limot kay ko sa tubig. Wa.
Ito lang mo boss eh.
Ayo pag pugos-pugos na. Ay pag pugos-pugos. Kaya nga ako gani, hangos kay ko.
Wa day mo mag-practice daan og kanang inhale exhale. Para sa taas-taas.
May gani, father kaya nga akong shoes dili slippery. No.
Dili ay kay agi sa daan. Ma'am Judy. Ari,
Nay, basig mas slide na siya. Ari ka nay. Ha?
yang sapatos na ito na yung sapatos.
Hinay-hinay gyud taon ay gyud og kuan. No. Thank you. Baby Winter. Hi. Mag halo-halo na ta. Kay ang fruits na rin ko ang ano mga father. Father Earl o Father Tata.
Law na kayo.
Ano naman nalupong ka?
Hi. We are here now in Titlis, Switzerland. Mount Titlis, Switzerland. Baby Winter, nag-snowfall na rin, baby. My beloved apo.
Dili oh. Dili.